welcome to Believers IAS Academy's Prelim Series 2020-21. In today's video, we'll be looking at Kalaripayattu, Tangta, Gadka and Mallakhambh, which are four indigenous martial arts from India. Why is this important? Because recently in news, you can see that the Sports Ministry, the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, have included four indigenous martial arts from India into the Khelo India Youth Games 2021. This games is as part of the Khelo India program, which is aimed at developing the sports sector in India. So now this game, Khelo India Youth Games 2020, was held in Guwahati, Assam, and now the next one, 2021, is going to be held in Haryana. And these four martial arts that I mentioned is going to be a part of it. First of all, Kalaripayattu. You might be familiar with this martial art since in pop culture it has been promoted by actors like Udit Jamban. Now, Kalaripayattu is from Kerala and it is also known as Kalari. So the word Kalari means the ground where the martial arts is practiced. So it is considered to be the mother of all martial arts. It's said to be the oldest martial arts still in existence, which dates back to even 3rd century BC. So unlike other parts of India, what we have is that this martial arts is practiced by all castes. And another interesting fact is that women also in Kerala do practice this, have used to practice this and are still practicing this. Now if you have been tracking news, you might know that Meenakshi Amma earned a Padma Shri award because she was promoting this martial art. The next one is Tangta. So Tangta is a martial art from Manipur. So it is actually, the martial arts name is Huan Langlong. So it's an Indian martial arts from Manipur, and in the Meitei language, Huan means war and Langlong means knowledge or art. Now, as part of this martial arts, we have two main components inside it. One is Tangta and the second one is Sarit Sarak. So Tangta is the armed combat and Sarit Sarak is the unarmed fighting. So it is Tangta which has been selected to this game. Now Tangta means Tang means sword and Ta means spear. Next one is Gadka. Now Gadka is also a popular martial art and it is based in Punjab. And Gadka is the name of an Indian martial arts and it is practiced by Sikhs of Punjab, and it is a style of stick fighting with wooden sticks, which actually gives a kind of intended to stimulate the sword, and it is originated in Punjab in the 15th century. And the other one is Mallakhambh. Mallakhambh is actually the state sport of Madhya Pradesh, and it is also popular in states like Maharashtra, and these two states are the hotspot of this art. And the name Mallakhambh derives from the term Malla. Malla means a wrestler and Khambh means a pole. So a wrestler is going to get on top of this pole and he's going to perform a lot of gymnastic poses, yoga, gymnastic poses they are going to show. So that's all about these four martial arts. For getting more videos, you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel and do follow us on Instagram at Believers IAS. And also to know more about our course structure, the kind of approach that we take towards this exam, and also about to get access to our current affair material and blog articles, do visit www.believersias.com. Thank you.